Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we are going to do a video on Python classes, and I think this is probably one of the most requested videos I've had. A lot of people that I run into on a daily basis have asked me to make a video on Python classes, and so here it is. Today our situation, what we're going to do is we are going to make a smoothie business, or a business that sells smoothies. So customers will come in, order our smoothie, and we're going to tell them the price of the smoothie. And we are going to do this using a class in Python. And so this is a very, very fake, sort of playful thing, but it's just nice to have a theme when you do this sort of, when you're teaching this stuff. So I've created a file called classes.py. Let's go in and open this up. And today we're going to learn how to use classes in Python. And so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to begin to make my class. So I do this by typing class smoothie. Okay. And basically inside the smoothie class, well, first off, what do people do with classes? Well, they make instances of the class, also known as objects. So they make a class object. So for example, once we're done, filling in this gap here and defining what exactly is in the smoothie class, we are going to make an object of the smoothie class, like this: drink one smoothie. So drink one is equal to basically an object of the smoothie class. However, how do we assign attributes to this class object? And we do that one way you could do that is by making a constructor for the smoothie class. So we do that in Python through this init function. Excuse me. And specifically, you have to always, any function defined in your class in Python must have the self argument. And the self argument is basically the object itself that you're making. So here we make this drink one object of the smoothie class. And then inside the smoothie class, if I want to assign attributes to drink one, I need to access or initialize the attributes themselves to itself, which is the drink. So this might become more apparent. And so, for example, if I wanted to initialize a fruit to this drink, I would put self fruit equals maybe mango, something like that. But I want the customer to come in and be able to tell me the name of the fruit. I don't want this already set up. So what I will do is I will actually make an argument called fruit. Okay. So these fruits here are not the same. And so the fruit I initialize is the fruit passed by the customer. So it could maybe be like this to help you out. So for example, let's say I had I type in mango here, if I can spell mango. Okay, so this would, I initialize drink one, which is an object of the smoothie class, and I want the fruit of the smoothie to be mango. And so what I'm going to do is print drink one dot fruit, and this should print mango, right? So Python classes py, it prints mango. And so let's say I initialized some more stuff. I don't want just fruit. I want them to have a liquid base. So base, this can be milk, water, whatever the customer wants. And then let's give them one extra option. So they can have a base of the smoothie, so water or milk, and they can have something extra, maybe coconut or ginger, anything they desire. And so that's it. This is our constructor for the smoothie class. And now I want to calculate the price of the smoothie. So this is something calculate something that we can just do internally here. And of course we need this self argument. And here we're going to use some else if statements, which I haven't made a video about, but I will. I'm kind of getting a little ahead of myself, but that's fine. So 4 spaces in, if self.fruit is equal to mango, let me just do this first. Price equals 0.0. If self.fruit equals mango, price equals price plus 1.0. So price equals 0 plus 1. But another way to write this, you don't have to do all this. You can just say plus equals 1. So this plus equals is the same thing as this. I'll put it in quotes. So, or comment. Price plus equals 1.0 is the same thing as price equals price plus 1.0. Okay? I think this is a little more compact and commonplace. So if the fruit is mango, we're going to add $1. If the fruit is, let's say, pineapple, we're going to add $2. Okay, so maybe pineapple's not in season. Let's do this for a base. If salt.base equals water, we are not going to charge the customer. But if they want milk as a base, then we are going to charge an extra $1. And then last but not least, for the extra, if self extra equals honey, we'll charge an extra $1. And if self extra is coconut, we will charge $1.50. Okay, so now what this function needs to do is it needs to return the price. So here's what's going to happen. We're going to call this calculate price, and we're going to go through these options, calculate the price, and then return the price to us, basically. So let me just go over this. Right now we're going to initialize an object, a drink object, I'll just call it drink, of the smoothie class. You can see that we take, you don't count the self, we take 3 arguments here for our smoothie class, 3 descriptive arguments. The first one is the base, so I'm going to put water. I want a water as the base. I want my fruit to be mango, and I'm going to add honey. Okay, so now I'm going to basically write out what would happen. Print, your order is drink dot mango. Oh, so, oops. Drink dot fruit. So is a drink dot fruit smoothie made with drink dot, oops, I just see a small error up here. Sorry about that. Made with drink dot base and drink dot extra. Print, your total is drink dot calculate price. Okay, so let's run this and see if it works. Hopefully it does. If not, we might have small errors, which we can easily fix. Python classes, and it works. Your order is a mango smoothie made with water and honey. Your total is $2. Okay, so your total is, I'll put the dollar sign there. Okay, so yeah, let's get this right. We have water, mango, and honey. Mango is $1, honey is $1. So your order is a mango smoothie made with water and honey. Your total is $2. Now, let's change it up. Let's say we don't want mango, but we want pineapple. Okay, so pineapple, so what will happen is when we initialize this drink object of the smoothie class, we come into our constructor and we pass the argument pineapple is fruit. So self.fruit, when we create the attribute fruit, it is assigned to the fruit argument we passed. So self.fruit is a string, which is the pineapple string we passed in. And then when we go to drink calculate price, if elif self.fruit is pineapple, we add $2 to this price. And so now we have, let's make this milk. And let's make this, keep this as honey. So milk is $1, pineapple is $2, that's $3, plus honey is $4. So we should have a pineapple smoothie made with milk and honey for $4. Your order is a pineapple smoothie made with milk and honey. Your total is $4. Okay, thank you very much for watching today. I hope you have a wonderful day.